Today, I want to talk to you about how language shapes the way we think. Language is an amazing tool. It allows us to share ideas with others. Right now, I am making sounds with my mouth. These sounds create vibrations in the air. These vibrations reach your ears. Your brain takes these sounds and turns them into thoughts. Because of language, we can communicate across time and space. I can put a new idea into your mind right now. For example, imagine a jellyfish dancing in a library while thinking about physics. You may have never thought of that before, but now you have. There are about 7,000 languages in the world. Languages are different in many ways. They have different sounds, words, and structures. One big question is, does the language we speak change the way we think? People have argued about this for a long time. Some people say language changes how we see the world. Others say it does not. Now, scientists have done research to find answers. One example comes from an Aboriginal group in Australia. These people do not use words like left and right. Instead, they use directions like north and south. Even to say hello, they ask, "Where are you going?" This means they always know which direction they are facing. Another example is how different people think about time. English speakers arrange time from left to right. But some people arrange time based on the direction they are facing. This shows that language affects how we think about time. Numbers are another example. Some languages do not have words for numbers like 7 or 8. People who speak these languages find it hard to count. Color is also affected by language. In English, we have one word for blue. But in Russian, there are different words for light blue and dark blue. Russian speakers can see the difference between shades of blue faster. Another interesting thing is grammatical gender. Some languages give gender to objects. For example, in German, bridge is feminine. In Spanish, it is masculine. Because of this, German speakers describe bridges as beautiful and elegant. Spanish speakers describe them as strong and long. This shows that language can affect how we see things. Language also affects how we describe events. In English, we say, "He broke the vase." In Spanish, people say, "The vase broke." Because of this, English speakers remember who caused the accident more. But Spanish speakers remember that it was an accident. This affects how we blame and punish people. These examples show that language changes how we see the world. Language affects space, time, numbers, colors, and events. It can also affect how we feel about things. Right now, many languages are disappearing. We lose about one language every week. Half of the world's languages may disappear in 100 years. If we lose languages, we lose ways of thinking. Most research is based on English speakers. But we need to study more languages to understand how humans think. So, think about your own language. How does it shape your thoughts? And how could learning a new language change the way you see the world?